Hello and welcome. My name is Paolo, my partner is Ian, and we are Postthread. We are a decentralized social media platform powered by Mastodon, live on the Polkadot parachain frequency at postthread.xyz. So come check us out, make a profile, and start earning some thread tokens. We are at the Postthread front page. When you sign up, you'll notice there is no wallet sign in. And we've purposely hid all of the crypto aspect of our site as the average social media user isn't interested in that. A wallet is created for you automatically and all interaction on the site will be minted to the blockchain on your behalf. Frequency allows us to delegate responsibilities to our main Postthread wallet, which will cover the fees. In the future, we plan to allow users to connect their personal wallets to take control of their account and undelegate if they choose. On the left side panel and in the user profile page, you'll see we have added some unique values that we think will encourage and compensate users for posting valuable content on our site. Here you see my level, which was earned by interacting with Postthread through posting, commenting, or gaining followers. There is also a social score, which is calculated by creating a weighted social graph of Postthread users and determining their centralities within that graph. These centralities determine how central to the network a user is and therefore how much influence they have among other users. We think these two scores are key to determining just how valuable a user is to the site and thus are used to determine the value of the daily airdrop they receive here. Each day I can claim my airdrop and my tokens will be updated during a nightly update. We made it daily to encourage users to come back to the site and continue contributing. We plan to make a more complex algorithm when it is called for, as we think this will help deter bots and scammers. Creating many bots that spam the network will raise their level but significantly lower their social score, since most users won't be interested in following them and having them just follow each other will segment them from the main social graph, thus lowering their centralities. We plan to include incentives such as a daily streak reward and a token referral program, which you can see here. Every user you invite that joins Postthread will earn you tokens as well as a percentage of their daily claim. So help us out, expand our community, and get rewarded for it. This is all made possible due to the fact that we bootstrapped our deployment using Mastodon. Mastodon is an open source, decentralized network of self-hosted social networking services. They allowed us to easily deploy a stable and scalable web and mobile application. Check out our mobile version by going on the Chrome app, select the option to add the Postthread app to your home screen. On Mastodon, you can easily download your data and transfer it to any other Mastodon server instantly. So we plan to use this feature to capture some of the Mastodon network. We are developing an airdrop system where our current Mastodon user can transfer their account to Postthread and receive a reward based on their existing followers and posts. With around 2 million concurrent users, this opens up a lot of opportunities for Postthread to create a community. We plan to implement a similar system for other Web2 social as well. Also, due to the federated network of Mastodon, we are automatically connected to every other server and thus will show up in their federated tab. Here, you can see the Fediverse on Postthread, where other server posts populated the page. Let's talk about the frequency parachain. We connect our database to frequency by listening for changes and uploading content to IPFS and then minting to a parachain. Frequency was created by the development team at Project Liberty and they had just deployed their mainnet in the Polkadot ecosystem. We plan to be one of the first projects to go live on mainnet, but we are currently taking advantage of the Rococo testnet. Frequency plans to be an open source protocol that any social media application can use to free users from the oppressive binds of current Web2 platforms. It allows users to truly own their data and profiles. When other platforms build alongside us, you will automatically have access to your profile on their site as well. No longer will you have to set up accounts on every social platform and have to start from scratch with your followers or following. We believe this is the perfect use case for the blockchain. The crypto aspects also allows us to effectively and efficiently pay our content creators as discussed earlier. In an effort to engage the community, we added a fun feature using the new Stable Diffusion text-to-image model. Here users can create awesome artworks with a small token fee and post it directly to Postthread. We hope to create some competition in the future where users are tasked with creating the most impressive version of a prompt we will provide, such as a Kargi surfing. I'll try my best by typing in a Kargi on a surfboard riding a wave. I can also add some stylization into it by selecting one of our pre-made models such as 3D animation. We created several models and style which you can scroll through here. Now just click generate, wait a second for the model to run, and there you have it, a masterpiece of my own making. Now I can attach it to a post and see what the community thinks. We think this is a feature is a good way to provide some content for our initial community and make us stand out from other Mastodon servers and social media networks. Thank you for joining us, and don't forget to head to postthread.xyz to join the future of social media.